Hi dear students, welcome to our channel TJ CBSE classes. Today I am going to discuss about the topic electromagnetic waves, EM waves. EM waves. EM waves means electromagnetic waves. These waves are produced by acceleration or deceleration of charges. ചാർജ് ആക്സലറേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഡിസലറേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, ഓൺ ദീസ് ടു പ്രോസസ് ഇലക്ട്രോമാഗ്നെറ്റിക് വേവ്സ് ആർ പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ്ഡ് ഓർ ബൈ LC circuit. LC circuit means L means inductor, it's a coil, and a capacitor also there, and the combination of L and C, inductor and a capacitor, that can produce electromagnetic waves, and that waves of frequency F is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of LC. L for inductance, the capacity of the coil. C for capacitance. Capacitor means it's used to store electric charge. Okay, then the capacity is known as capacitance. Okay, then F is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of LC, that is the frequency of the electromagnetic waves. Actually scientist Maxwell predicted electromagnetic waves, and Hertz confirmed the presence of electromagnetic waves. Hertz. Then next is Hertz experiment. Hertz experiment. It consists of two metal plates, P1 and P2. P1 and P2, and these two plates are connected to two spheres, S1 and S2. S1 and S2 are two spheres, and these spheres are connected to induction coil. Induction coil is used for generating high voltage. Okay, then from 0 to high voltage, suddenly the voltage increases. Okay, that is induction coil. Then this is the arrangement. Here P1 and P2 are two metal plates, and these two metal plates are connected to two spheres, and these spheres are connected to induction coil. There should be a small gap between these two spheres. Okay, in these two spheres, due to the presence of induction coil, high voltage is applied across these two, S1 and S2. That may produce a high shock in between, a spark between S1 and S2, and these can be detected by the detector, that is consist of sphere is connected to a single loop. This is known as detector. Up to 6 meter, this presence, this electromagnetic waves presence can be detected up to 6 meter. This was the Hertz experiment. It is used for confirm presence of electromagnetic waves. Actually, the presence was predicted by Maxwell, but it was confirmed by Hertz. And this experiment consists of two plates. P1 and P2 are two plates, and these two plates are connected to two spheres, and there should be a small gap between these two spheres, and these spheres are connected to induction coil for providing high voltage between S1 and S2. When we apply a high voltage, a spark is produced between the gap that can be detected by the detector, consists of two spheres connected with a single loop. This is Hertz experiment. Okay, next we are going through displacement current. Actually, there are three topics in this chapter, that is displacement current, properties of EM waves, and the EM spectrum. These three important topics are there. Okay, next we are going to the topic displacement current. displacement current can be represented by ID. Okay, here we are considering a capacitor of capacitance C. Here in between the plates there may be a dielectric or free space. It's a dielectric. Dielectric means non-conducting substance, and these capacitor is connected to source, battery source or AC source. Okay, then through one key. Here key is closed. When key is closed, what happens? It's the connecting wires. These are the connecting wires. When the key is closed, what happens? Here, it's a connecting wires due to the presence of free electrons that can flow up to here. Okay, then that current is known as IC current. But in between the plates, there is no conduction current. There is no conduction current because there is no free electrons for flowing these two points A and B. Here in these points conduction current cannot flow. In this region conduction current cannot flow, but the circuit maintaining a continuous flow, there should be a current that flowing through this region, and that current is known as displacement current. The current is known as displacement current by Kirchhoff's law, and ID equal to IC. By Kirchhoff's law, ID equal to IC. Both are same. Okay, here we need to derive the displacement current. ID is epsilon 0 into d phi E by dt. This is the displacement current expression. Okay, actually displacement current is the current that can be able to flow plates of the capacitor, or else it is produced by the variation of electric field or electric flux. The variation, it is produced by the variation of electric field or electric flux. Here we can derive this phi E is equal to electric flux phi is equal to 1 by epsilon 0 into total charge enclosed by the surface. Okay, then here Q is equal to epsilon 0 into phi E. That can be taken as equation 1. Just differentiate equation 1. Differentiate equation 1. Here dq by dt. dq by dt is ID. The rate of change of charge means its current is equal to epsilon 0 into d phi by dt. Okay.